yeah, picked up, this is farm implement equipment. This is meant to attach to tractors. You can see some buckets there, a mower, small mowers, just, you know, variation of different things. This is going from Kansas to Houston, Texas, but this has 3 different stops on there. So Monday I'll be busy delivering this stuff, and as you can see, this was a headache to tie down. I used all my straps, about I think 20, if I'm not mistaken, about 20 of them. But yeah, that's it for this one. I don't like doing these too much. See, now this is some bullshit. How can someone park there, then another idiot parks here, right behind me? This makes no sense. I'm at a Walmart here, look, all this parking space, and this genius decides, nope, not there, has to park right here, right behind my trailer. Wow. I swear, man, some people have no brain cells. I mean, what? Oh my God. Now, I'm gonna have to squeeze out of here somehow, but some bullshit.